Meet the SLK retrofit kit from Columbia Lighting. SLK can convert both prismatic and parabolic fluorescent fixtures to energy-efficient LED fixtures in less than 5 minutes. Remember that every energy project starts with preparation and includes proper cleanup, recycling, and disposal. First, make sure the power to the fixture is turned off. You'll also want to wear an ESD bracelet or gloves and avoid touching the LED light engine during installation. Remove the lens, ballast, and socket bars from the fluorescent fixture. Then slide the universal frame bracket under the fixture between the T-bar. Secure with the kit's self-tapping screws. Attach the light engine assembly using the hinge pins, then attach the safety cable. Now for the SLK's easy wiring. Wire the ground nut with a wire nut and wire the incoming power using the kit's disconnects. Next, raise the frame, push up into the existing fixture, and close the latches. Check your work. Then flip the switch on your new efficient LED fixture. The SLK from Columbia Lighting. The LED retrofit kit with vision for the long run, affordability, quick, easy installation, and impressive efficacy. To learn more or place an order, go to www.columbialighting.com.